Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best steam cleaners for car detailing. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner provides powerful, chemical-free sanitation by generating superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating entirely on regular water, this sleek and compact machine lifts stubborn grease, dirt, and deep grime while killing up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. A large capacity tank offers up to 50 minutes of continuous runtime per fill, making it perfect for extended deep cleaning sessions. Engineered with a long hose and extension tubes, the lightweight unit ensures outstanding reach without requiring constant bending. The comprehensive 17-piece multipurpose kit includes specialized floor tools, window squeegees, microfiber pads, and diverse brushes to easily refresh grout lines, sealed floors, upholstery, and car interiors. This eco-friendly device delivers a thorough, natural clean that creates a safe, residue-free environment for homes with children and pets. Number 4. The mecmic Portable Handheld Steam Cleaner delivers heavy-duty, chemical-free sanitation with an impressive 2,500-watt motor that heats water in just 15 seconds. Generating high-pressure steam at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, it effortlessly dissolves stubborn grease, deep grime, and tile grout. An upgraded 1.6-liter water tank supports up to 1 hour of continuous operation, while 6 adjustable steam levels cater to everything from delicate fabric toys to rugged car detailing. Built with safety in mind, the unit features a low water alert, a one-touch flush function to prevent clogs, and an ergonomic, non-slip handle. The system provides an extended 16-foot total reach through a durable reinforced hose and power cord. Complete with 18 multifunctional accessories, including specialized brushes, scrapers, and heat-resistant silicone gloves, this versatile machine ensures a pristine, safe living environment for families and pets alike. Number 3. The McCulloch Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner delivers professional-grade, chemical-free sanitation to blast away stubborn grease, grime, and deep stains. Operating at a powerful 4-bar pressure, the massive 64-ounce water tank heats up in under 12 minutes to provide up to 2 hours of continuous, on-demand variable steam. This versatile system is fully equipped with 23 specialized accessories, including a floor mop, brass brushes, a scraper, and a squeegee, which can be neatly stored on board or in the included storage bag. An extra-long 18-foot power cord paired with a 7-foot steam hose offers outstanding maneuverability for hard-to-reach areas. Ideal for refreshing household tile, grout, laminate, and appliances, it serves as an exceptional tool for personal car detailing at home, leaving vehicle interiors completely spotless. Number 2. The BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner provides powerful stain-lifting performance in a highly compact, lightweight design. Engineered to easily spray, scrub, and suction away embedded dirt, spills, and tough pet messes, this corded machine is ideal for revitalizing carpets, furniture, pet beds, and car interiors. It efficiently targets everyday indoor allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander to keep your living spaces fresh and healthy. The specialized unit includes a 4-inch tough stain tool with a removable lens for straightforward maintenance, alongside a hydro-rinse self-cleaning hose attachment to flush out debris after use. Complete with a trial size of specialized cleaning formula, its small footprint allows for effortless storage inside tight closets or cabinets. Every purchase also proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation to help save homeless pets nationwide. Number 1. WSRYYCC Steam Cleaner. This portable handheld steam cleaner delivers deep cleaning power to transform your home and vehicle maintenance routine. Generating high-temperature steam in just 15 seconds, it blasts through stubborn grime, grease, and tile grout without requiring any harsh chemicals. The unit features an intuitive 6-level adjustable touch control, allowing you to easily customize the steam intensity to suit delicate upholstery or rugged car detailing tasks. Designed with an ergonomic handle, a generous 1.25-liter water tank, an extended hose, and a long power cord, it provides excellent maneuverability for uninterrupted sessions. It arrives with 16 versatile accessories, including multiple brushes, scrapers, and safety gloves, making it an all-purpose solution for windows, kitchen appliances, and furniture surfaces. Lightweight and efficient, This eco-friendly device ensures a safe, pristine living environment for family and pets alike.